Okay, now that Christian has prepped the wall with Liberty plaster, Elisabetta will demonstrate how to create the pietra fossile effect, or fossil stone effect. We finished texturing our Liberty plaster wall to create a pietra fossile effect, or fossil stone effect. Now we have to wait for it to dry, and tomorrow we'll add a decorative finish with our pearl wax product. Pearl wax is a natural product that creates a metallic shimmer finish. It comes in 3 versions: silver, gold, and bronze. So first we prepped our wall with Liberty plaster, and then created a pietra fossile effect. We did this by finishing the wall with 3 colors in our pearl wax range. However, we could also use our Sitta metallic plaster, which strengthens the metallic shimmer effect, or our Velatura minerale glaze, to create a matte effect. All that's left for me to do is to wish you all the best when using Liberty, and say a big thank you to everyone for all their work. Have a good Liberty and goodbye.
Un grazie a tutti.